All right, guys. First of all, I want to say thank you to Pablo. Pablo, if you hear me, thank you so much for helping me. Not today, but yesterday. He helped me, to put the air handler on the first floor. Later on, I'm going to show it to you. Today, he has his own business, and today he said, sorry, I won't be able to make it, which I do understand. So that's the Pacific Ocean. A lot of white sharks. If you want to come and relax, just make sure that you have extra body. The white shark is going to eat you, that you have another hope that you can transfer your spirit to the new body. Otherwise you will be finished. But anyway, so today, this morning, 8 o'clock, with a crane, we lifted up this unit. When I say we, just myself. So anyway, so I put this fan protector. This is free of charge for the owner. It's kind of nice. I never saw him, but he's paying really well as well. So I told him, hey, I will do this for free. I'll add the salt protection for against the corrosion. You see right here, this one like a last year. They put it last year. This one like 2 years ago. But it's trash, man. Trash. That one I put it myself 5 years ago as well. So as a matter of fact, I put this one, not that one, the last one. I put this one, Goodman. I charge very cheap, so he didn't want to have any protection, and I put this one as well. So anyway, money talks, bullshit walks. What can you do, man? I don't blame these tenants, because the problem, the landlord charged so much money for the rent, and these poor tenants, they're barely making, man. Barely making. I feel for them. This is really nice upscale area, people, tourist area. And that's my donkey right there. Advanced. What does it say? Advanced shithole and plumbing or what? I can't see very far, but anyway. Yeah. So these units, you see those 2-bedroom apartment, if you want to buy in this area, it's like $1 million. $1 million, man. It's not cheap. So, getting back to this carrier, 2.5 ton, 30,000 BTU unit. See that? With that protection. We insulate everything. Yeah. I don't like this kind of job, man. It's like a split units. You have to come through this ladder. It's like, look at it. Small hole. Up and down, man. And the crane came right there. And then lifted up this unit. Look at these homes, To rent this little shed, it's $3,000, like a 2 or 1 bedroom, 2 small rooms with a garage, but you're at the beach. Man, that house, amazing. Wow, that house like 1950, 1960. It's almost 100 years old. You see, the tenants, they don't want air conditioning. They said the hell with it because it's so expensive. And in this plaza, landlord doesn't pay for it. You know, he says, I'm not gonna pay for your air conditioning. If you want, you pay out of your pocket, like this guy did. So I think he got some money and he moved to Nashville, Tennessee. So he sold his house and he bought another house in Nashville, Tennessee, so out of the California. So, but he still has his business right here, and that's what he said. Okay, I'm gonna get AC for my girls because they are really hot down there. You know, it's like a sauna. Okay, one more thing I'm gonna tell you. This is June. Today is 14, 2023. But this year is completely different, man. It's much cooler. It's always overcast for the past 5 or 6 weeks. But I bet you it's gonna be really, really hot in another 2-3 weeks. This overcast from the ocean is going to go away. It will be very hot. Very, very hot.